Are you driving for Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash and wondering if forming an LLC is a good idea? Lucky you! In this video, I'll walk you through the process of forming an LLC for your rideshare or delivery business. Make sure to stay tuned until the end because I'll reveal the cheapest business formation service that can help you form and set up your LLC for Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash drivers for free today. Let's dive right in. Why form an LLC for your Uber business? Forming an LLC as an independent contractor for Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash comes with key advantages. Reason 1. Limited liability protection. When you're driving for Uber, Lyft, or delivering for DoorDash, you're exposed to potential accidents or legal claims. Forming an LLC protects your personal assets, like your car, home, or savings, from being at risk if a lawsuit or financial issue arises related to your driving business. Reason 2. Tax benefits and flexibility. LLCs offer flexibility when it comes to taxes. By default, your LLC is taxed as a pass-through entity, which means your business income is reported on your personal tax return. As your income grows, you can elect to have your LLC taxed as an S-corp to potentially save on self-employment taxes. This option allows you to take a salary and pay yourself dividends, potentially lowering your tax burden. Reason 3. Separation of personal and business finances. Forming an LLC allows you to open a separate business bank account. This makes it easier to keep your business earnings and expenses apart from your personal finances. For instance, having a dedicated account for your Uber or DoorDash payments simplifies your bookkeeping and tax filings and gives you a clearer picture of your financial situation. This separation simplifies accounting and tax filing and ensures that your personal assets are not mixed with business transactions. It also adds a level of professionalism when dealing with clients and vendors. Reason 4. Enhanced credibility. While forming an LLC may not be necessary to drive for these platforms, having one adds credibility. It signals to customers, partners, and even loan officers that you're serious about your business. This can also open doors to more business opportunities or partnerships in the future. Now that you understand the benefits, let's dive into the steps to form your LLC. Steps to form an LLC for your Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash business. Now, let's walk through the steps to form your LLC. Choose your LLC name. Select the state for your LLC formation. Appoint a registered agent. File the articles of organization. Create an operating agreement. Obtain an EIN, employer identification number. Open a business bank account. Step 1. Choose your LLC name. Your LLC name should represent your business. For example, you could name it Smith Rideshare LLC or Jones Delivery Services LLC. Be sure to check your state's Secretary of State website to confirm that the name is available and unique. You'll also need to include LLC or limited liability company in the name. Step 2. Select the state for LLC formation. Most drivers form their LLCs in their home state, as that's where they operate their business. This simplifies compliance and eliminates the need to register as a foreign entity in multiple states. While states like New Mexico, Delaware, and Wyoming are known for being business-friendly, it's usually more practical and cost-effective to form an LLC where you live and drive. Always look up the specific regulations, tax implications, and business laws in the state where you plan to operate. This information is usually available on the Secretary of State's or business registration websites. Step 3. Appoint a registered agent. You'll need a registered agent to receive official documents and legal notices on behalf of your LLC. This agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is registered. You can be your own registered agent or hire a professional service like Northwest Registered Agent. Many LLC formation companies offer registered agent services as part of their packages. Northwest Registered Agent is a reliable option that offers a free registered agent service for the first year. This service allows you to use their address as your business address, which is great for maintaining your privacy. Check the description below for a link to get a discount with Northwest Registered Agent. Step 4. File the articles of organization. To officially form your LLC, you need to file the articles of organization. This document includes key details like your LLC's name, address, and the name of your registered agent. Most states offer the convenience of online submission through the Secretary of State's website. Online filing is often the fastest method, allowing you to complete the process within hours or a few days. Alternatively, you can file by mail, though this process generally takes longer. The cost of filing varies by state, typically ranging from $50 to $500. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that outlines how your LLC will be managed. While this isn't always legally required, it's a good idea to have one. The operating agreement should cover things like ownership, responsibilities, and how profits and losses will be distributed. If you're a single-member LLC, the document can be simple but still helps clarify your business's structure. Step 6. Get an EIN, Employer Identification Number. An EIN is issued by the IRS and is used for tax purposes. You'll need this number to open a business bank account and, if needed, to hire employees. You can apply for an EIN for free on the IRS website. The process is quick, and you'll receive your EIN immediately. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Once your LLC is formed, it's important to open a separate bank account for your business. This ensures that your personal and business finances are kept separate, which makes tax filing much easier. You'll need your EIN, articles of organization, and possibly your operating agreement to open the account. Conclusion. Forming an LLC as an Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash driver is a smart move for protecting your personal assets, gaining tax flexibility, and managing your finances more effectively. The process is straightforward, but if you find it overwhelming, you can always hire Northwest registered agent to handle the paperwork for you. Keep watching as I show you how to form your LLC in under 3 minutes through Northwest. First, click the link in the description or go to startllc.co/Northwest to take advantage of the $39 LLC formation discount. Then click on the Let's Get You Started button. Choose your business entity as LLC and select your preferred state. For example, if you choose New Mexico as your preferred state, you'll notice that there are 3 types of filing option fee based on number of days for processing. Standard processed in 6 days for $50. Expedited processed in 4 days for $85. Expedited 2 days processed for $125. You can pick your preferred choice, but I would recommend the standard option to save formation costs. The Northwest registered agent costs $0, which saves you $200. Additionally, the filing service fee of $100 is also free, which results in a total savings of $300. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Details tab. This is where you enter your new or existing business details, including your company, business name, address, and other relevant information. If unsure about your business purpose, simply toggle on the Use Generic Business Purpose. You can also use Northwest registered agents and mailing addresses as your business address, eliminating the need for a separate U.S. address. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Company Management tab. Enter the management information for your LLC, including the names and addresses of your managers and their roles in the company. If you are a single-member business, leave it at 1 member and enter your name. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Contact Details tab. Fill in your contact details, including your local address, phone number, and email. Then set up your account with Northwest Registered Agent using your email and preferred password. This will allow you to access their services and have access to your personal dashboard. Next, click the Continue button, which takes you to the Business Identity tab, which is optional. It includes the following, which is free for 90 days. Domain name registration, 1 free year. Website, hosted by Northwest, owned by you. Business email address. Business phone. Personally, I wouldn't select this, but it's all up to you. Other optional items include Tax ID, S-Corporation election with the IRS 50, Premium mail service, Trademark service. If you have an SSN for the tax ID, getting an EIN will cost you $50. However, if you don't have a Social Security number, SSN, Northwest can still get an EIN for your company from the IRS, which costs $200. To save costs and get your EIN faster, I would recommend getting your EIN for free by yourself by visiting the IRS website. I'll leave the IRS website link in the description for you. Finally, once you've completed the steps, you can check out and finalize your Rideshare or delivery business LLC formation. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC. If you found this process helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on business formation and taxes. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Rideshare or delivery business LLC.